everyone, this is Sai here, where I graduated from BTECH Institute of Science and Technology with the aggregate of 8.35, and also coming to my place from Hyderabad in Nalgonda district. Coming to my journey where I joined Qspiders, where at 4 months training I feel confident. Where I started my journey as SPL first. After I learned Java. After that, after completion of these two, I started my journey as automation engineer, where I learned Selenium. After learning these skills, I got 4 opportunities as interviews. I cracked 3 interviews, and I joined in my third company, where I was based in my third company. According to Siddhant sir and Sai Chaitanya sir helped me a lot, where they groomed me a lot by mock sessions and also presentations. It helped me a lot to gain confidence. And also, they also given my where I was lagging. They also said how to you should do self intro. It is main in a company. If you start with a self intro, your interview will be in a positive way. Where they given these skills, I learned these skills. I was confident now. Yeah, thanks.